So now we're the driving seat of the all-new Volkswagen Tayron R line, and let me tell you the engine specifications of this car. Well, it will only be available with one engine option, that is a 2-liter TSI engine. And this TSI engine, that's a turbo petrol engine, produces 201 bhp of power and 320 Nm of peak torque. Well, what that means, you can do a 0 to 100 in 7.2 seconds. Well, we have obviously done a 0 to 100 test, and it is running on our Instagram channel, so you can go check that out. Well, the claim time is 7.2 seconds, but I'll not tell you how much did we take. You can go and check it out. Well, this thing is mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox, and power is transmitted to all the wheels. So that is why when you launch, there is very minimum amount of wheel spin. Obviously, you have a ESC sport mode as well, where the traction control is not completely off, but it is off for a launch control. And yes, you have a launch control on this car from factory. It's not like it's a number of launches that you can do. I'm assuming you can just keep on doing it until the car like heats up and tells you to cool down and do a launch again. But yeah, it gets a launch control from the factory. Now, let me tell you about the steering wheel. The steering wheel is pretty, I mean, if you're on like comfort and eco mode, it's pretty light. If you're going on sport mode, it weighs up, but the steering response is phenomenal. It just cuts lane. Like you just have to flick the steering wheel to just cut the lanes. It is so responsive. And the suspension on it is absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is a 7-seater SUV. Usually 7-seater SUVs have a lot of body roll, but not this one. This one has very minimum amount of body roll. I'll not say it does not have body roll, but this has very less body roll, and this thing stays planted on the road. If you take high speed corners also, triple digit speeds corner also, if the corner is allowing you to take it, then this car can handle it definitely. So if you're on a racetrack, this thing will go bonkers. First of all, because it is an all-wheel drive. Second of all, the power delivery is just fantastic on this. Couple the suspension with the steering wheel and the power output, and you have a beast on the road. The Tayron R line is just, it's an awesome vehicle. This is a 7-seater vehicle that can do all of this. I mean, this competes directly with the Fortuner in the Indian market, but trust me, that Fortuner is a different league of SUV, and this is a complete different league of SUV. It is something phenomenal. If you talk about safety features, then you have 9 airbags, not 6, not 7, not 8. You have 9 airbags. Apart from that, you have your level 2 ADAS, you have traction control, EBD, ESC, a 5-star safety rating, whatnot in this car. So it is a pretty safe car as well. If we talk about the seats, these seats are a little special because first of all, they get ventilation option, they get heating option, they get massage option. But there is another feature in the climate control where you can set the temperature of the ventilation of the seat. So for example, if you want the back portion, the backrest of the seat to warm up, you can adjust that. If at the same time, if you want the lower part of the seat where you're sitting on, if you want that a little cold or maybe a little less warm, you can adjust the temperature. So yes, you can do that. Both the seats are electronically adjustable. They have memory control, they have lumbar support, and I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. So I mean, as far as features are concerned, the Tayron is just filled with features. Seats are comfortable, very, very nice. They hold you in place. They have got good side bolsterings, and overall, it is a very good experience driving this car. Trust me, guys, with 201 bhp, 320 Nm of peak torque, mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox. With that amount of power, when you flow the car, this happens. And if you are on an open road or on a highway, trust me, you will just have fun. No matter you have family, you have space for 5 people, you have space for 6 people, 7 people, and after the third row also, you have enough space to keep luggage. I mean, how cool is that? So, yeah, our take on the Volkswagen Tayron is just fantastic. It's a fantastic driving car. Just loving it.